Alright, hit it up.
See, snaps.
White dog biscuit.
Wait a minute. Seafood. Do it up. Tastes like oatmeal.
Yeah. What's that? What do we got left?
Got some funky looking
We got
green.
Oh, we got the brown dog biscuit.
That's it. Ready to make a good turn, right? Ready?
Son. Well.
Here's the thing,
Can I offer you a courtesy beer to
please.
Oh, help yourself?
I
I mean, oh yeah.
It really ain't that bad though, really. And it's not. It's tasteless. I mean, you can't really taste it. But
Oh yeah. Well, I can understand that.
sure it'll be a colorful turd in the morning, but hey, it's all good. As long as I can have consistency, I'll do it.
Well, I'm really ashamed we missed the red one, but that's,
You missed the red one.
Well, yeah, 'cause you ate it before I got the camera going. He's been eating dog biscuits. We're on video. Yeah, it's. I did give our doggies a cracker. I did. It might. You wanna? Well, let's show what we were working with.
Oh, you gonna feed me another treat? I need to like wag my tail and.
Well, you can't really see here, but.
Son, dude, that's starting to fill me up though, for real.
Doggy biscuits.
Yeah, you done seen it. I ain't eating that much.
No.
That'd be my dinner right there, son.
It's doggy biscuits. You want doggy biscuit? Doggy biscuit for you. Okay.
It ain't really that bad as it seems.
Doggy biscuit for you. You want doggy biscuit? Who wants doggy biscuit?
Somebody needs to garbage chute.
At least one more. Come on.
You want to see it, man?
There you go.
Red don't taste. There's no taste to it. There really isn't.
You make me want to eat a doggy biscuit.
What?
I'm not. No, I'm not gonna. Oh, this will get such high ratings on YouTube, dude.
Huh? It might make me live to 90 years old. No.
Well done. Well done.